Nights like these are just what you hope for as a spectator. A warm welcome. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary box, providing expert analysis, is Stuart Robson. And we're about to bring you headers and volleys action. It's Paris Saint-Germain up against Manchester United.
Well, this will test the skill of the players. Only volleys, headers and set pieces count. It should be fun.
And here's how the lineup looks for PSG.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how the wingers play today. Will they stay high and wide? Will they come in field and support the centre forward? And how deep will they come out of possession? They're going to be key to this formation.
And here's the lineup for Manchester United.
Well, in this shape, if their wide players stay high up the pitch and get enough of the ball, it's a very attacking lineup. But if they drop too deep, they will then leave the centre forward isolated, and it could be difficult for them.
Interesting 90 minutes ahead of us here. Paris Saint-Germain get things started. De Almeida. Amanda Ilestedt. Karshawi. Ilestedt. Elisa de Almeida. Grace-Georo. On to Lawrence. Amanda Ilestedt. Ashley Lawrence. Hamraoui. De Almeida. Now can they make something happen? A fine reading of the situation. Hayley Ladd. And with that, the attack fizzles out. She has teammates around her. So a throw-in for PSG. Options in the centre. Insufficient guile on the crossing front, you've got to say. And unable to keep possession. And United regaining possession here. Ella Toon. More than decent this from United. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Making progress. Oh, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. Just the challenge that was required. Ilestedt. And giving the ball away. It's a good-looking ball in behind. And they could do damage. And a bit short with the clearance. Can they forge ahead? And offside it is.
Well, PSG have controlled most of the possession, as you can see. But unless they start passing it with more penetration, they'll struggle to win this game, which will be a major disappointment.
Well read to win possession back. Keira Hamraoui. Oh, what an opportunity! Wilting under the pressure, and now they try to go forward. Keira Hamraoui. Oriane Jean-François. And a long way out here. And blocked for now. That is that for the first half here. A potentially exciting match in store, and it's Paris Saint-Germain who kick off. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how this second half pans out. And the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Well, it looked highly promising, but it came to nothing in the end. Well, good-looking play with the ball at her feet, but nothing comes of it. Elisa de Almeida. Hamraoui. Oh, that's a really good run. Superb block. And intercepted there. Being pressed hard. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Deserves credit for winning the ball back. Nikita Paris. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. And unable to keep the ball. Getting forward. And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Good bit of pressing. And looking towards the back post. No-nonsense clearance. Into the final 20 minutes. Onabatier. Rousseau. And a tidy challenge. Elisa de Almeida. Gayoro. Jean-François. Grace Gayoro. The fans imploring her to shoot. An example of how to press. Well, a good tackle. Great pressure to win the ball back. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. A very timely interception. Keeper there to collect. PSG on the attack as the minutes tick away. What can they do in the closing phase? Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. So 1 minute of stoppage time, that's what the officials have said. There we have it, the 90 minutes are over and nothing to choose between the sides. Interesting 90 minutes ahead of us here. Paris Saint-Germain get things started. Well, the ball rolling again here, the first period of extra time, and you've got to wonder to what extent fatigue will play a part of this now. It's been an extremely competitive 90 minutes. Nikita Paris. Oh, that's a really good authoritative tackle. Throw in here. Well, just trying to drive her team forward here. Throw in to Manchester United. And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. Delivered into the box. Martins. An effective challenge. And given the defender's touch, the referee says corner. And there's the delivery. Well, not hard to read that pass. Martins. Just the challenge that was required. Now she could do a bit of damage. And the cross into the middle. Surely! Well, this is headers and volleys, so no goal. Half-time in extra time, and still they are level. And now they... Now looking dangerous here. And the penalty has been given here. Well, there might have been a case for a yellow card, but the referee didn't see it that way.
Well, Derek, it's a foul, yes. A penalty, absolutely. But for me, it's not a yellow card. The ref has got that right.
She's fired it over the top.
Well, it's not a good penalty, is it? You've got to hit the target.
Retaining possession proving difficult. Well, out of play, under pressure. It's not lost on them what a goal could mean at this late stage. Now who can she pass it to? Surely! And a goal! The golden goal to finish this contest once and for all. And no wonder they're celebrating. Pure drama here.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it, and the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.